MPC Sample includes 4 powerful effects engines with the ability to play up to 7 effects at one time with 60 creative effects types, inspiring your creativity even further. The first effects engine is Pad Effects. This can be accessed by pressing the Pad Effects button. The color screen will now display the 16 different effects types, which can be triggered instantly by applying pressure to the pads. As I push down on the pad, you can hear the effect over the beat. The more pressure you apply, the more you will hear the effect. Each effect can be edited using the control knobs below the screen. To lock the effect to your beat, simply hold the pad and hit the latch button. You can apply up to 4 different effects at one time when you use Pad Effects, which offers everything from lo-fi, filters, flanging to color. The next effects engine is Flex Beat, which you can access by holding Shift and Pad Effects, turning the pads purple. Flex Beat offers 15 effects patterns, transforming your ideas with stutters, tape stops, gates to beat repeats. Use the Mix Wet and Dry knob to adjust how much of the effect you want to apply. Using the Quantize button will trigger the new pattern at the start of your beat. To trigger instantly, just turn Quantize off. You also can change how the effect is played. It can either loop around or be triggered one time, hitting the pad. Using Flex Beat allows you to perform with MPC Sample to creative ideas in the studio. Now to turn off the Flex Beat effects patterns, simply press Pad 1, which is an empty effect. Then we have Knob Effects, which allows you to add a plugin across your whole beat with 28 different plugin types to choose from. Here you have everything from bus compression, limiter, sidechain pumping to tape and vinyl emulations. You also have the vintage emulator, giving you models of the 60, 3000 and the SP1200. So let's take a listen to some of the knob effects. Using the 3 control knobs, we can adjust the parameters of each plugin. Here on vinyl, we can add tone, crackle, and pitch. Let's go to tape emulator, add in noise and tape drift. Now let's load up our low pass filter. Now let's check out some of the reverbs. Let's dial in our mix levels. Now let's check out the flanger. As you can see, Knob Effects offers a wide range of different plugin effects that you can add instantly over your beats. Using Knob Effects really gives you creative inspiration, adding flavor to your beats. We can also assign the effect to selective pads and samples just by selecting a pad, so only those samples will be affected with Knob Effects. So you can also select all pads by using the top button. You can also resample the effects back to a pad, which means that the effect is rendered into the sample, which frees up Knob Effects, so you can choose another plugin. So now let's resample an effect back to a pad. So we're using this Knob Effect, which is vinyl emulator. So let's stop our beat. Now we go to sample, we hit Shift, resample, and now select a pad. Now it's resampled our loop with the effects embedded. There's the sample, and now let's just turn off the effects that we were sampling. And now let's play back our loop. And you can hear the effects have been added, which means now I can choose another effect. Let's use a low pass filter. Resampling really allows us to get the most out of using knob effects by embedding them into the samples. Now our last effect, if you hold down Shift and Pad 5, is our brand new Color Compressor, adding retro punch and gluing your beats together. So let's bypass this and play our beat. Now let's turn it on. You can hear the punch and the attack. Now let's drive this harder by holding down Shift and pushing our inputs. You can hear how it snaps your kick and snares, giving you more drive. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time.